What's good, everybody? My name is Brandon Mitch, and I'm actually here to talk to you guys about some skincare tips revolving around enlarged pores. So I got a DM not that long ago actually talking about enlarged pores, and the person wanted to know why pores weren't actually going down because they were exfoliating. And I was like, how are you actually exfoliating? And he actually told me that they were actually using a physical form of an exfoliator, which is typically like a cream that's mixed in and has some kind of particles in it. Usually like walnut shells, apricot seeds, or something like that. So this can actually, scratch the skin and actually make the skin a lot worse than what it actually is. So especially if you're trying to use, this harsh material or harsh, cream to actually shrink your pores, and you're actually rubbing those particles back and forth over the pores, this actually will cause them to get a lot more enlarged, and it's actually going to do the complete opposite of shrinking the pores. So if you guys are actually trying to figure that out, if you guys are dealing with that situation, you do need to exfoliate, but not in that form. Now, the best way to actually treat those enlarged pores is actually using something with salicylic acid or a BHA. Now, I have a product here, and this one is actually the one from Paula's Choice, and this is a BHA 2%. Now, this is actually perfect for dealing with enlarged pores. Sometimes I get enlarged pores here in this part of my face, and I use this BHA and it knocks it out. You do not want to be using the physical form of an exfoliator to shrink your pores. Again, do not use a physical form of exfoliating to shrink your pores. You need to go with a product that actually has salicylic acid, or you can go with this BHA exfoliator from Paula's Choice. I highly recommend this. So again, make sure you guys aren't using a physical form of exfoliating. You are using a liquid form, or you're using a product that actually has salicylic acid inside of it. This is the best way to shrink your pores that I know of. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, or maybe some topics you guys want to hear me talk about, shoot me a DM or feel free to leave them below in the comment section below. I check those out. But until the next skincare tip video, I will see you then.